Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is M. Adli. My name C10F025088. I will describe my father. My father is a man with brown skin and straight black hair that has a few gray strands. He has black eyes and is not very tall. He is funny, friendly, and hardworking. In his free time, he enjoy watching Chinese movies. He worked as a freelance worker and also help my mother at house. I admire him very much because he is the one who support and provides for me and our family. One of the most unique things about my father is gentle and polite way of speaking. To me, he is not only my father, but also a role model who teaches me about hard work and responsibility. People around him see him as a very friendly person. One of my most memorable memories with him is walking around the city of Jambi together. Maybe that's just a brief description of my father. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.